Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your own custom forms in your Shopify store. By the way, I'm going to give you the two solutions, so this video can be a little bit longer, but I will make sure that you understand each and everything very properly, right? So here we can see that this is our store, right? If you have taken the trial, then it's great, right? And I'm not going to sell you anything, right? So here on the left side you will see this option of online store. Just click on the online store, right? Here we will get this option of pages, right? So we will just go to the pages, right? And we will make a page. Basically you can see that I have already made that form which is called send your ideas, but I will show you how to do it, right? So let me just go a little bit back, right? And here on the top right side corner you will see this option of add pages, right? So we will just click on add pages, and here we will write send your art, right? We will do this thing. If you want to do any customization, you can do it. It's very easy to do it, right? And here theme is everything. We don't need to change anything. Make sure it is invisible, right? And we will just save it, right? Once it is saved, you will get this green icon, right? Again we will just go to the home. You don't need to get confused, right? Again we have to go to the online store. Once you go to the online store, go to the navigations, right? So here it will give you three options: photo menu, main menu, right? And this is my custom, so this will not show you in your store. So basically it will show you these two things. By the way, if you're confused, let me show you what it is. So main menu is called this thing, right? Home, catalog, contacts. So if you want to add your form here, where people can just click here and get to the form, right? So it's very easy. I will show you how you can add it here. So if you want to add it here, you can do one thing. You will just go to the main menu. I will show you further in the video, right? But if you want to add to the footer is basically the end of their page. So here you can add it somewhere, right? So for example, we want to add it to the main menu, so we'll just click on the main menu, right? Once we click on the main menu, you will get this option of add menu item. It will show you the same thing if you go to the footer option too. Here I will just write here send art, right? Maybe I just want to name it, right? And once we click here search or paste link, if you click here you will get this drop down, right? And we will just go to the pages option, and here you can see I have made 3 pages. So I will do one thing, send your art. I will select this and I will just click on add, right? Once I click on the add on the top right, make sure you save it, otherwise you will not able to save over your store. So if I just go to my store and I will just refresh it out, right? Let me, okay, it's not showing here. It was not showing here because it was not showing here because we have to do one thing. We have to make sure you can just put it above, or you just put it here, or give it a little bit second, and again if you just refresh it out, you will able to see this option send art, right? So if I just click on send art, you will see nothing, right? But we have to customize this thing. So how to customize this thing? We'll again just go to our Shopify dashboard, right? And here we will just click on online store. Once we click on the online store, it will get this open. We will just click on customize, right? Once we click on the customize, here we will just click on send art. Once you click on the send art, it will redirect to me this. So here I can just add a form, right? And how to add a form? You can just add a section or something, click on add a section, and here you will get this option of blog post, or contact form. So depending upon your requirement, we will select the contact form, right? So if I just select a contact form, here a person can put your name, put their name, email, phone number, and comment, right? But there's no option to send. By the way, if a person wants to send me their image, their art, something, right, they can't send me through the comment, right? So I will show you this in the second step, right? So here you can see if you want your ideas or something, it is dependent, or it is similar that a person can send it to you by writing, then you can this option. By the way, if you want, and the most easiest way to send you or attach a custom form, I will show you in the second option, right? So I will just leave this. I will just go back to my Shopify dashboard, right? I will just go to the search bar, right? I will just click on the apps. Once I click on the apps, click on the all recommended apps, and you will get this option of in the bottom Shopify app store. Once we click on the Shopify app store, it will take us to the new page where all the application of the Shopify is available here. It means you can just install this app, and once you install the app, you will able to use the feature. So we will just write here forms. So basically it will show us the apps which is available here. You can choose anyone. Some of are paid, some of are free, right? Here you can see that powerful contact form builder. So basically it's related to only contact. I just want something better, right? So here I will just go better, and you can just choose. There is a lot of option, right? Depending how you shop over the Amazon, you just go over the views, or I mean you just go to read the reviews and everything. You can also read reviews from here too. So if I just, for example, I selected this and I will just click on install. Once I click on install, it will load for a few seconds, right? So we will wait here. Okay, so the app got installed, right? And we'll get this option. If you want to do some changes, you can change it here, but I will recommend don't do it. But we will just click on install, and after that, this app, Hulk Form Builder, it will get installed into our store, right? So here you can see that this got installed. I will just agree with it. I will just click on get started, right? So sometimes it may show error. So here you can see on the left side, you will get this option. We'll directly go to the forms option, right? Once we go to the forms option, sometime it's take to load. If we just refresh it out, I will choose this free plan, right? Once I choose this free plan, let it just wait. Right here we will get this option of create new form or forms, right? And the knowledge base, right? So basically we'll just click on create new form, right? I will just click on new form, and we will just do some changes. For example, we can just this form name, right, this email and everything, right? It shows the preview that how it's look, right? By the way, if you want to design or something, there's a paid version, so you can also change that how it will look it over my phone or tablet, whatever, right? So this is how you can set up a form or integrate a form over your Shopify store. I hope you found this video really useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.